I'm David Livermore, and I'm convinced that polarization is the number one issue facing us today. We see it in places like Yemen, Syria, Ukraine, Myanmar, but we also see obvious examples anytime we go online and observe ferocious debates surrounding critical race theory, gender inclusive language, or vaccine mandates. And I wrote Digital, Diverse, and Divided to address this issue of polarization. I've been researching and writing about cultural intelligence for 20 years, but to date, the application has been almost solely on helping people work and relate with people who have different cultural backgrounds, that is, different ethnicities or races or nationalities. But increasingly, we need cultural intelligence to get along with most anyone. And sometimes the hardest people to get along with are people who look very much like us on the outside, but who on the inside have a very different set of values and beliefs. Throughout the book, you'll find a series of stories from my own experiences and from data I've collected around the world. And you'll also find an evidence-based methodology for de-escalating some of the emotion that ensues in these polarizing conversations. And I'll provide a strategy for how we can actually use our differences as a catalyst for overcoming the polarization that exists. So I hope you'll check out the book, and I invite you to join me in building a more culturally intelligent world for all.